Dear students, this is the introduction video of our chapter number 10, compound interest. Let us revise some terms that you have studied already in your class 7th. First is the principal, that is denoted by capital P. It is the money borrowed or deposited for a given time period in a bank, post office or money lender. Second is interest, the extra money paid or received at the end of the time period for which we have lent our money. Next is the rate. Rate is using the rate. Interest is calculated as the percentage of the principal. So this is the use of rate. Next is time. Time is the duration for which principal is lent or deposited. Principal is also written as money or sum in some of the questions. Lastly, we have amount. Amount is the sum of principal, that is sum, and interest, that is P plus I. That is the total money repaid or received at the end of the given time period. So these terms you have to write in your copy. Now I'm taking question number 4 of exercise 10.1. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 90,000. This is the principal at the rate of 4% per annum, compounded annually. This is the rate, and for 2 years this is the time. So first we will write it. P equals to 90,000. R is 4% per annum, and the time, that is represented with small n, it is 2 years. So we have to find the amount and compound interest. Okay, so 10.1 should be done using the simple interest method that you have used in your class 7th. SI for the first year is P into R into T upon 100. So P is 90,000, rate is 4 for 1 year, divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 are cancelled. 9 4 is 36, 00. This is the simple interest for the first year. Now using this you will find the amount for the first year. It is P plus SI. So principal was 90,000 and simple interest we have got 3600. It is 93600. Now simple interest for the second year. Again the same formula, P into R into T upon 100. So P this time will be this amount, 93600, rate is 4 and 1 year, and divide by 100. So this double zeros will be cancelled. 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12, 13 14, 4 9 are 36, 137. So the simple interest for the second year is 3744. Now the amount for second year is again P plus simple interest. Okay. So principal this time was this 93600, and the simple interest is 3744. Adding these you get 97344. This is the amount for the second year. Okay, this is one of the answer that is asking amount, and now we have to find the compound interest. So the compound interest will be sum of both the simple interests, SI1 and SI2. So simple interest for the first year is 3600, and the simple interest for the second year is 3744. So this is 4437, rupees 7344. Likewise you will try rest of the questions. Thank you.